Hello and welcome to Void Electronics. In a previous video I managed to resurrect this Tektronix 466 oscilloscope. It had an issue with the negative 8 volt rail and it also had a really strange fault in the attenuator. And I managed to fix all those, and as you can see it is mostly working. So today's video is not about rocket science. Today we're just fixing the scale illumination for this scope. And I know normally it wouldn't be such a big deal, but today it gets harder and harder to find components for such an oscilloscope, so I will give you some useful tricks about how to fix the scale illumination and find some replacement bulbs for this scope. As you can see, only one of the bulbs are working, so it only illuminates the left side of the screen. Let's see if we can fix this. Unfortunately, you have to take the scope out of the case for this, and that's because you have to disconnect them from the main board before taking them out. But first of all, let's get to the bulbs. The bulbs are obviously somewhere under this frame, so I have to remove these screws and the protective screen as well. And now we are almost there. Unfortunately, they don't want to come out like this. So don't try to pull them too hard or you will break the wires. So in order to remove them completely, we have to turn the scope off, unplug it, and then unplug the bulbs from the PCB. If you pull slightly on this assembly, you will notice what wire stretches, which takes you to this connector, which is the connector for the bulbs. And with this one disconnected, you can pull them out. However, I wouldn't recommend pulling this all the way out because this one is routed underneath this board, so there is no way to put it back like this if you completely pull it out. So I will just leave it like this because this is enough for me to get access to the bulbs. And this one comes apart like so. And now we have access to them. And now comes the hard part about this, which is finding replacements. So to replace them, I think you have to look at the electrical parameters and the mechanical parameters as well. And based on the manual, these are 6.3 volt 200 milliamp bulbs. And for the mechanical parameters, I decided to measure them using calipers. So first of all, I'm interested in the diameter. They are about 5.6 millimeters in diameter. And now let's measure the length as well. Okay, and the length is about 12.7 millimeters. With this in mind, I think it's time to go to your favorite supplier's website in order to find a replacement. And I can only wish you good luck with that because I don't think they're being manufactured anymore. Now, through the magic of video editing, my parts are already here, and they came from Mouser. I was really surprised to see that they still have something like this in stock. Let's see if they fit. Oh, I think these are perfect. They're not identical, but they will do the job. Let's test it for shorts now. I think it's okay. Now I just have to snip these. And now I think you can put everything back. So this is what it looks like so far. And now let's put everything back. I think this one goes in like this. And then this one goes in like this. Let's give it a test now. I hope it will look better. Much better. It works and it looks really nice. So that's it for today. If you're interested in the other repair videos of this oscilloscope, you can find the links in the description of this video. And also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in more content related to electronics and programming, please subscribe because there is more content like this on the way. Also, I would like to remind you that Void Electronics is more than just a YouTube channel. Void Electronics aims to be an online electronics community, so I also encourage interaction between members using our Discord server. Once again, the link to the Discord server is in the description of this video. That's it for now. Bye.